Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing for this BURANO, I hope I'm saying the name right, My Nail My Way designed and building gel creative nail enhancement kit. And no delay, let's go. So it came in this beautiful box. I love though, this looks like kind of fire like. So let's see what we got in this box right here. So first and foremost, it comes with an instruction manual, and this will show you everything that you need to know to make your nails pop, make your nails happen. Yeah, this will show you the different ways to apply, design, and build your gel nails. So this is what that's going to do for you. And then you also can get insurance for in case your products get damaged, or you don't feel like something came sealed. You can get a whole brand new product absolutely free. All you have to do is contact them for help. You can find them at Facebook and on Instagram at BURANO Nails, and you can register here to get your insurance. Okay, let's get moving. So this kit comes with a pack of rhinestones of all different colors. Look how beautiful those are. Oh my god, there's red with green and stuff. There's clears, blues, and then there's AB crystals, like holographic looking. So I really like these. I can't wait to get my nails done. OMG, I love this. These forms, I've been seeing everyone using these clear forms, so now I got me a whole set for myself. I'm not even sure how many come in here, probably about 20, which is cool. Let me open it up so I can check these out, because I'm going to do a set on the rest of the 4 fingers. As you can see, I did my thumb. I got bored last night, so I got up and I'm like, I'm going to go do my nails. Yes, so here they are. It's more than I thought. It's a lot more than I thought. Okay, it's probably a lot more than I thought, but you see you got a bunch of clear forms, so you don't have to worry about underneath your nails drying. This will take care of everything. Okay, that's that right there. And they also, after they give you your forms, they give you tool forms, 12 different sizes. So let's open this up and see if it's the good ones or it's the ones that nobody likes. Oh, it's the good ones. Yes, you see that? These big things, yes. I bet you they could fit on my husband's fingernail. I might give him a set. Yeah, look how big that is. It covers up my whole thumb, like, completely. Yes, I love those. Yes, that's what I like. And there's like, yeah, there's 12 sets. They said it. 12 sizes, I mean. They said 12 sizes, and it looks like it's like 20 in a row, so you're not going to be out of your nail forms for a while. And then it comes with, getting to it, you get a top coat and a base coat. You also get glitter. Okay, oh, them getting fancy around here. Now you got glitter. You got a silver glitter, blue and purple, and they're really pretty too. There's not a little crappy stuff, it's chunky and gorgeous. Let me open this up so you can see this glitter, because this is an unboxing, so I don't know why I still have them in the pack. I know that is so annoying. I love to do it. It's so annoying, but yes, let's see the glitter. See, it's very pretty. That's the silver. And this is the purple. I love the purple. I'm a purple lover of purple stuff. So that's the purple. purple, purple. And then you got blue, baby. Yes, I start singing. Once you pop out in song, you know I'm loving the set. You know, once I start singing, that's it. You know, everything's over. Okay, so this is the only polygel set that I've gotten, and I actually got the slip solution. It says BURANO. It says creative nail solution. Okay, it says the same thing on the front of the box, like on the front of the box, but right there in that little tiny thing it says, let me see if it will zoom in. You see that? It says creative nail solution. Yes, my camera, awesome. It picked that up. Okay, so it comes also with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. They're kind of small, but you know, look at all this stuff. Everything in there is big. So let me take out them here first before I start look on the colors and just let you know. It comes with this beautiful 180 grit buffer, and it says BURANO, my nails my way on it, and that is cute. And I like the shape. I like the coffin shape of these files. They just make me feel happy. Like, yeah, that's how my nails supposed to look. And this is the last thing in the kit before I start looking at these, and this is the BURANO brush on one end and picker on the other. This is the picker side. Okay, this side not deciding to open. Okay, that took a little elbow grease, and this, excuse me, is the it took a burp out of me. Anyways, this is the brush side. I like that. The brush is nice and it's stiff because, you know, it comes with the thing that they use to preserve it. So let me put those back together, right? So, whoa. And then check out the gels. So this is the light apricot. Let's see if I can get these open with these gloves on. Oh, it's not bad. Okay. So this one is a light apricot. As you can see, light apricot. I'm gonna get something I can put these swatches on. Give me one moment. Let me grab a piece of form, the back of a nail form thing. Yep. Here we go. So I can put it on here so you can see them. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this, shall we? Let's do this, shall we? Yeah, I'm dropping stuff. Okay, here we go. Wow. Okay, here we go. So that's the light apricot. I love that color. It looks like a nude color. The light apricot is cute. I love it. And this one is Purple Magic. Okay, that's Purple Magic. I love that color. It's beautiful. This one is the nude. So even though I said the apricot looked like a nude, let's see what the nude looks like. See what the nude looks like. Let's see what the nude looks like. Oh, okay. The nude looks kind of dark. Okay. Well, it's perfect for me because I am already chocolate. These gloves are so bigger than my hand, but yeah, something just fell. Excuse me, let me shed a little light on the subjects. And just zoom this camera down. Okay. So this is the pink. This is the pink. I can get the pink open. This is the pink. I like the pink. It looks kind of like bubblegum color, like that. And I love the consistency of these already. I haven't even put the brush on them and I just like them. They're not a fight to deal with. This one is soft pink. So, ooh, okay. Yes, it's way softer. It's more like translucent. This is Magic Orange. Magic Orange. Yeah, you have to open it first, miss. Okay, beautiful, gorgeous color. That color is beautiful. And I think they change color, their color temperature changing gels. So I'm going to put this in the lamp and we're going to see. And the last but not least is the white one. So let me put this on here. And that's it. That's the 7 colors. That's all of them. So let me see if I can remember all of them now by myself, because you know I'm that good. So that's the white, the nude, light apricot, purple magic, pink, soft pink, orange magic, and that's it. So I'm gonna put these in the lamp and see if the color changes. Here we go. So the purple and the orange, they turned out to be clear, like a light, like a natural look. They have a natural look, but I love the way they look when they're dried. Aren't they beautiful? These are some beautiful gels. Which ones do you think I should try out? I might try out the I might do an ombre. It's not gonna go with my flower theme, so I'm gonna use the pink. Yes, I'm gonna use the pink to do the rest of my nails, or I might use the color temperature changing ones and a little bit of the pink.